So welcome back guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a game pass on Roblox. So after new update guys, interface has changed. So if you want to make a game pass on Roblox, just follow me in this video. First of all, you have to go to roblox.com on your browser. So I will recommend you to use Chrome browser on Android, and you can use Safari on iPhones. So and you just once you enter the home page, but before that it will take you to the login page where you have to log in with your username and password. Once you log in, now if you want to create a game pass, you have to tap on this option create. Fine, you have to tap on create now, but before that you have to tap on this three dot and enable the desktop site mode. Fine, so if you're using the Android, you will be easily to find this option in the Chrome browser by tapping on three dot. But if you are using iPhone, you have to tap on smallest a and capital A in the search bar to enable the desktop site mode. So when you tap on it, it will open the options, multiple options. You just need to tap on the desktop mode, and the desktop mode will be enabled on your iPhone. But this is for the Android, so you just need to tap on three dot and enable the desktop site. Once you reach here guys, you have to tap on experiences. Now if you want to create a game pass, you have to click on menu and tap on associate items, this option. Now if you want to create a game pass, just tap on game passes, and now you have to click on this option, create a pass. Now in this year, Roblox has been updated two times. In the first time guys, it completely changed, and after the second time, now the image is optional to upload. So you don't have to upload the image to create a game pass, and so we can leave it as empty. But if you want to add, you can add by tapping on change button. But if you want to leave it, will that default image will be used. Now you can enter the name of the game pass, like enter what would I say, Tute. Fine. Now after that, you can enter the description here if you want, and then tap on create pass. The description is optional, you can leave it as empty. So once you get a game pass, it is not done yet. You have to configure it. You have to tap on it again and tap on menu and tap on sales. Now you have to tap on item for sale and enter the price of the game pass in Robux. So I'm gonna enter 5 Robux. Let's see, and you will get 70% out of it. It means you will get 4 Robux out of 5, and tap on save changes. Now your game pass has been set up for the sale. You just need to list your game pass in the please donate. If you don't know how to list your game pass, how to set up a stand in a game pass in a please donate, please you can visit my playlist of a Roblox, where you will find a video how to set up a stand in a please donate. And yeah, hope you like it. Thanks for watching.